great day at Equity. Let's talk about your roof. On average, some roofing can last 20 to 25 years, but shingles will fall apart eventually. We'll go over some common signs that you may need a new roof. If your roof is turning 25, you should start budgeting and planning for a new one. If you have shingles that were installed over an existing layer of shingles, they tend not to last as long, and you should plan to replace them within 15 to 20 years. Sometimes there are obvious signs that you need to repair or replace your roof, like if you have water damage in your home or if your roof is clearly sagging. This can indicate a potential structural issue under the shingles, like a broken rafter or plywood sheathing that needs to be replaced. Some items can be relatively quick to repair. If you see one or two missing shingles, they may just need to be replaced. And the same goes if you happen to find a few broken pieces in your yard. If it's more than a few pieces or just a few shingles, then it's best to call a pro to inspect your roof and see if you need more extensive repairs or a full roof replacement. If you see shingles that are starting to curl and peel away from the roof, this is a sign that your roof has reached the end of its life. Over time, the weather wears away the grit of an asphalt shingle and causes it to deteriorate. And as temperatures rise and fall, your roof and shingles expand and contract, which adds up to real wear and tear on shingle tiles as the years go by. Keeping an eye on your roof will help you know when to start budgeting to replace it. It will also help you stay on top of needed repairs before they become bigger issues. Be proactive in protecting your home and caring for your investment and your future. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications to never miss a new video. Please leave a comment below if this video is helpful and if you'd like to see more videos on similar topics.